Title: The Man Who Preferred His Woman All Natural. Derek wasn't the kind of man who chased trends. He didn't care about the newest designer bags, the loudest lashes, or the latest social media challenge. What caught his eye, what tugged at his spirit was authenticity, especially in a woman. He always said,
"There's nothing more beautiful than a woman being herself."
That was how he felt the first time he met Simone. She wasn't the flashiest woman in the room. No 10-inch weave, no heavy contour, no body done up in ways that made people whisper. She was simply herself. Locks brushed her shoulders. Her skin glowed like polished bronze under the sun. And she wore a smile that felt like sunrise after a long night. Simone laughed when he told her how refreshing it was to see her so natural.
"You mean I didn't scare you off with my plainness?"
She teased, eyes sparkling. Plain. Derek chuckled.
"Queen, the sun rises and sets on women like you. Ain't nothing plain about being real."
They spent hours talking about books, music, dreams, and faith. He noticed the way she didn't rush to impress, didn't twist herself into a shape the world demanded. She sat in her truth, and that was more powerful than any mask. For Derek, it wasn't just about looks. It was about presence. Natural meant she owned her story, her roots, her strength. It meant she didn't need permission to be who she was. One evening, as they strolled through a park, Simone asked softly,
"Why do you prefer natural so much?"
Derek paused, watching the wind play in her locks.
"Because, love, the world already tries to change you, make you feel like you're not enough. When you stay natural, you're saying, I'm enough exactly as I am. And that's beautiful."
Simone smiled, her heart swelling at the sincerity in his voice. For once, she didn't feel like she had to be extra to be adored. She just had to be Simone. And in Derek's eyes, that was more than enough. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.